like same thing what I was doing earlier. Connect all the lines. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Perfect.
Let me see if I do.
It
Is it done?
So beautiful. Getting close.
Oh,
Sorry. Yeah.
to do.
I was like, wait a minute.
Look over there. Yeah, turn head here and look. Yeah, just like that.
Beautiful.
Perfect. So only thing is we need to clean a little bit up here. Are you comfortable? Okay, perfect.
Yeah, I can put my glasses on.
Yes, now you can.
Amazing. Oh, the finished product. What a beauty.
You want to look in the mirror? What I do is I always like to start from the inner corner. Loosen up. Loosen. Yeah, just like that. Just go that way. Now what I do is I take a little bit from the outer corner, just here, bring it out a little bit, just like that. Now I'm gonna go back to the product and then connect the line together, so basically. Open. There you go.
Wow. Hot, hot, hot. You look great, girl. How do you feel?
So the only part is like you want
There's
to
fallout.
Yeah. And like when you do apply for yourself, you want to be really careful.
Yeah, because it goes into your eyeball and
Yeah.
yeah, I've had that happen before.
Look up. Head down.
Beautiful.
Now this side. I'm so excited, man.
Yeah. Dramatize the eyes.
Look open. So the best part to use is this. So the highlighter one, so you can able to like clean the mess we made, or I made, and get like a really precise swing. You see?
Oh, nice. Yeah. Oh, I like that.
Just like that.
Smart.
Yeah. So this is more like a corrector where it's gonna correct.
I want to show you guys how I do my lipstick, and I want feedback on how good I do.
That's the highlighter there.
And loosen up your eye. Yeah.
That's why you start from the inner corner. That's how I do it.
She is showing our fabulous makeup artist extraordinaire friend. What's your name?
Dashi.
Dashi. How she makes her lips all sexy.
And with the
yeah, she
kiss
knows the
in the
power.
mirror.
Yes.
Is it smudged?
No, it didn't smudge. It looks nice. Do one more time. Oh,
Ooh, there she is. Watch out.
Woo! Let me do a little bit of touch up.